What's up, everybody? I'm gonna head down to the Silverdale Waterfront, get some pictures and some footage. I know it's a familiar scene, you guys have seen it already in one of my other videos, but hey, you get off of work, you have an opportunity, the weather is nice here in Washington, and I got about that much time before I gotta come home and make dinner, so I figure, let's take advantage of this. So let's go. It's a beautiful day out. Let's see if we can get some good drone shots today. That was about as fun as I thought it was going to be. I was walking around out here and ran into another aspiring YouTuber named Jeremiah, RobertsJJ on YouTube. Check him out, I guess. I'm going to take a look and see what he's got. Did a little interview with him about if someone would drop everything they have to go chase the dream and film, and it was fun. Go check it out. I'll try to link it if I can find it on here. I'll link it down below. Alright, that was a good time. Thank you guys for joining me. Got a chance to use my drone again down here at the waterfront and snap some still shots while I was out here. If you guys have any feedback or some suggestions for some new videos I can do, please leave some comments down below. And until next time, guys, see you later.